Hello everyone. I'm so excited to be an instructor at the Paper Escape Winter Retreat, and we do have a free class or a free day, and I'm teaching on the free day, and we also have those amazing sponsors who are teaching a class and sent kits for their class. So I highly recommend signing up for the Platinum kit because there's not many tickets left over. And look at these tags. This is from Dare to Be Artsy, and they were so thoughtful to send products. These sponsors are so amazing. They send over so many products and to be included free in your swag bag. Isn't that awesome? That's for me. Sorry, I didn't take it out of this video. But Gina K Designs, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. She is a new sponsor and she sent so much. Look at what she sends. Like this butterfly stamp and die set, oh my gosh, and sequins. And she also sent another stamp with dies. Like, isn't that totally like amazing and thoughtful? So you are going to want this platinum kit, and you get so much because this is part 2. So if you've seen part 1, which I'll link it below, you will see all the amazing products that you will be getting. And I'm so excited to share what we will all have. And I will put the link to order the platinum kit using my affiliate link, and it just helps me a bit when you use my link. Unity Sponsors is also, Unity Stamp Company is also a new sponsor. Oh my gosh. Cards by Kendra. Have you tried Cards by Kendra yet? KCC. We are KCC 23 now, but Kendra put together 2 card sketches here with papers and ephemera, and I am loving what I'm seeing here, and I believe everybody's going to get different ones. I'm not really sure. Sometimes because the sponsors send different products, you might get different stuff. So there is, and I'm sure there's going to be some destash also included in your kits, but the price is $180. And let me see, let me make sure I said it right. I have my notes somewhere. Let me see. Yes, the price is $180 right now. I'm not sure it's going to go up. I think that could be the final price, but we only have a few tickets left. I think less than of course less than 20. So I would make sure and sign up. The class is October 2nd through the 4th. Isn't this cute? That sea otter. And Newton's Nook Designs is also a new sponsor. So excited. Look at that cute stamp. Sandy. I've never tried a Sandy Ledoux Designs before. So I am so excited to see this paper because it's so pretty and vibrant and just wow. So check out the balloons here. And also I will be teaching along with Julie and Walter, and we also have Joy teaching, and we also have Sean. So I'm so excited, and look at that pretty paper. And so we also have our curated kit. So we also have that as well. There's also going to be a digital kit. So I will leave the link below so you can check out the kits, the classes, and just check out all the information. Because there is a lot of information. And we also have something going on right now too for the Paper Escape where you can win points. We raid sponsors, which means we share some love, like purchasing an item, then you get points for doing that. And the one with the most points gets a prize package. I'll have to check, or I'll put that information down too. I will try. Look at this 12 by 12 paper pad. So make sure you are a member in the Paper Escape on Facebook, and also follow on Instagram as well. So much news there. So Moonlight Magic, you get these stickers, and so nice of American Crafts to send the stickers with this 12 by 12 paper pad. Oh my gosh, so amazing. And yeah, I'm blown away by all the kindness from these amazing sponsors. So that's why we want to show some love and, you know, write a comment on their Instagram blog, but make sure you are logged in so you could get points on the leaderboard. So yeah, join the Paper Escape Facebook group and get more information there as well. And so let me see, I do have a ink pad in here from Catherine Puller Designs, and everyone gets a different ink pad, and I love Catherine Puller, but how I didn't get a duplicate, I don't know, but I'm super excited for the color that I did get because I do not own this color. So I think I'm just looking because there was something else in there, but look at how pretty. So everyone's going to get a ink pad. So exciting. So lots of swag. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing from this platinum kit. Make sure and sign up for everything. Grab your ticket, and I'll see you there October 2nd.